And when we take our power back and we're able to hold that space, be that steady, stable ground, be like the roots of the tree, holding that in place, people feel that. They feel safe in your presence. And they know there's something about you. They know when they come into your world, when they come into your energy, that they shift and they change and they grow. They're shown opportunities for healing and they know that they feel different, right? It's a feeling. It's not something that you can really explain. But it starts with that self-devotion. And right now, what we are seeing in the world is this power imbalance. And we're seeing people like butting heads with each other, right? And that's because there's a power imbalance at play. But rather than people being in this like loving, self-devotional space, the reason they're butting heads, the reason it is becoming explosive, and we see this, like, this isn't just on the world stage, right? We see this on the micro and we see this on the macro. It's happening in both. The reason that we see this happen is a lack of that self-devotion. A lack of that self-devotion. Because if the self-devotion was there, what would be there would be a deep, stable, grounded space to be able to hold space for others. And this is the problem, is in these spaces, people can't hold space for others. They can't hold space that everyone has their authentic truth. Everyone has a different expression, whether that is, religion or a spiritual belief or no spiritual belief or a belief about a family tradition. Like, this could literally be anything. The problem is that people cannot hold others at that truth because they don't have that stable groundedness within themselves to be able to hold that. And that is what is causing this power imbalance. If you are somebody who has, overcome people pleasing, you're an ex-people pleaser like me, you've been in over empathy, you're very sensitive and intuitive and gifted, then what we are finding now is you will be shown ways and places and people where you are not in your power. So what I've been saying for months in the Quantum Queen membership, like literally every month we go through the energy updates, like it's becoming more and more and more evident and obvious that the dark can no longer hide. The dark can no longer hide. So this is coming out right now in the collective. So anything, like we've seen this in like the celebrity world, without saying too much, okay? All the stuff that's being outed, all the people that are being outed and, having consequences of their actions right now is all coming out. Those that haven't done the inner work, haven't done the trauma work, they're acting out right now as well. And that we're constantly being shown where there is this power imbalance, but also as you take that power back, what you do is you start to close off the energy drains. Because as you step into your power, you command an energy of respect.